Welcome to another IVS Computer Technology tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm an education consultant with IVS. In today's topic, I'm going to cover another smart response topic, and that is how to add students to your class. In one of the last tutorials, we talked about adding classes to your gradebook, and today we're going to add students to those classes. To add students to an existing class, the first thing you're going to do is, of course, open your teacher tools. And again, you can open them via the response option in your menu or your response icon down in your notification area. The second step is to select the class that you'd like to add students to and then click on that Students tab. Once you're looking at the Student tab, you're going to select the Add button from the menu to input student information. Once you've inputted that student information, that student will be added to your class list, and you can repeat those steps as many times as necessary. One thing to keep in mind is that as you input your student information, you must make sure that every student in your gradebook has a unique ID number. Let's go ahead and give this a try. My Smart Response teacher tools are already open, but if yours are not, again, go ahead and use that response icon or the response menu in notebook software. I'm going to select the class that I want to add students to, and I'm going to click here. That opens the home page for that specific class, and I need to select this Students tab. Okay, so here is where the list of my students is going to be. I'll have the student ID, last name, first name, and as I give assessments, it will also list the average and test scores. Up here in the menu, I'm going to select this Add button, and this is going to allow me to add student information. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to type in a student ID. So notice this is turned red, and that's because this value is not unique. So that must mean that another student in one of my other classes has that ID number. So I need to make sure that this is blue around the edges to ensure that I have an ID number that has not been used before. Okay, and when you're finished, just click outside of the box. If I need to add more students, I'm just going to select Add again. And then I input that same student information. So this is how you're going to input your students by hand as many times as you need to. So if you have 30 students, you'll have to do this 30 times. Be sure to join us for another tutorial that's related to Smart Response, and I will show you how to import a pre-existing class list from an Excel spreadsheet. Thank you for joining us.